So I watched this video of Armando Scalella making pizza, and it's reminded me of my pizza dough. So today I'm going to be sharing my pizza dough recipe, because a lot of people will be asking, how did he come about this pizza dough? So I'll be sharing my pizza dough recipe that will give you exactly this texture, or this gluten formation, that will give you this type of dough that can stretch like this, like this, like this. So stick to this channel, let's do this. Okay, let's make our own pizza dough.
For this easy pizza dough recipe, you need 2 cups or 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon or 3 grams of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon or 11 grams of sugar, and half teaspoon or 3 grams of salt. So once you've added this, you have to mix everything thoroughly. Open the center of these dry ingredients and add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or any unflavored oil you have. Then you start adding in your water. I used 155 grams of water, and you need to add this water gradually. This is almost 1 cup of water. So once you're done adding about 150 grams of the water, some of the water will still be left in your cup that you use to measure out the water. Okay. Then the next thing you have to do is to transfer the dough on your work surface and then start kneading the dough. So you have to knead the dough to make sure that there is no more dry ingredient on the flour that is left on your work surface, just as you see in the video. Okay. And you have to knead with the base of your palms, just as you see me doing in the video. So at this point, you can add the remaining 5 grams of water, the remaining part of the water, and you start mixing. Now, when you find out that the dough is kind of sticking to your hands, you kind of touch your hand in water and you keep working on this dough. Okay. Keep working on this dough till the dough has starts kind of getting stretchy or develop gluten. Okay. Although this is not going to take you much time anyways, you can also apply a little water on your work surface and keep on working on this dough. You can see how the dough is kind of stretching and all that. So at this point, you are done. You're going to grease your bowl that you use in mixing this dough. Grease the bowl. Also apply some vegetable oil on the dough. Transfer the dough into the greased bowl, or the bowl that you apply some vegetable oil in it. Cover this and allow it to rest for at least 1 hour. Okay, you have to let this rest for 1 hour, guys. After the 1 hour, guys, you can see that our dough has proven so well. Wow. So now you're not going to knock down this dough. You're going to gradually take out this dough from the bowl. Sprinkle some semolina flour on your work surface. The reason for using the semolina flour instead of the all-purpose flour or red flour is so that your dough will not trap in more of this flour and become kind of dry. Okay, but semolina flour is not going to make your dough dry. Okay, so after that, you go ahead and cast the dough into the sizes you want. But if you want to make a larger pizza, you can just use the whole of the dough as it is, and then remold it again into a ball and then allow it to rise again. But if you are just want to use it for separate pizzas, just as you see me do, you're going to cut it to the number you want and then gradually mold the dough into a ball without altering the air trapped in the dough or without deflating the dough too much. Okay, so you're just going to gradually and gently fold the dough, just as you see me do in the video. Once you are done molding the dough into balls, cover the dough and let the dough cool for another 1 hour. Okay, yeah, you need to let the dough cool for another 1 hour. And after the 1 hour, our dough has proven so well. Now it's time to make your pizza. Yeah, gradually use your scraper or something to carry this dough, to move this dough about. Because if you use your hands, you may likely kind of deflect this dough too much and it will not turn out the way you would like it. So you just need to use something like a scraper or something to move the dough about. Okay? So once you have moved some of this dough aside, you're going to be left with the one of the dough that you need to start working with. Okay, and once you start making your pizza. When you want to make the pizza, just watch as you're going to use the dough. Ring the dough and start pushing out the dough, just as you see. You're not going to kind of use rolling pin or anything like that. Just push out the dough, use your hands to drag the dough and keep on, straightening the dough till it is as thin as possible for you to start using it to make your pizza, guys. I know all of you now, you're craving for pizza. Yeah. So while you are craving for the pizza, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And please, if you're just seeing me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you will always be the first to watch my videos and get notified of my video. And guys, please, there is super thanks on YouTube. Please give your guys a super thanks to help me do more, bring you more recipes and amazing recipes, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Don't forget, see you guys in my pizza video class. Till then,